everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am going to be showing you several different Valentine's Day mini albums over the next couple of days. These are mini albums I have made. There are going to be some tutorials listed on my site. If there is a tutorial, I'll put it in the description box. All of these mini albums are listed in my Etsy shop at this point, although they may sell because they may be on sale when you're watching this video. So if you're interested in purchasing these, check out the links in the description box, which will take you right to my Etsy shop or right to the tutorial of the specific albums. They are all different shapes and sizes. I have from a very loaded large mini album to one that's not necessarily Valentine's Day, but could be trip, vacation, whatever, shabby chicish. And then I have some Gnome mini albums. I have some accordion albums. I have Cupid albums. I have vintage. So over the next couple of videos, you're going to see quite an assortment of different albums. So I hope you'll join along with me. And for now, let's check out today's mini album. Today's mini album is Be Mine, and it's got a gnome on the front cover. Love the red and pink and white and teal detail on this. It just makes it pop. So there's a little banner of hearts there, XO as the border strip, and just a little pattern paper there. It's 5 1/4, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 by about 1 1/2 and 1 1/4. So here's the front cover. This says All My Love. This is open, so you still can add a photo under it. And the top loading pocket has this gorgeous diagonal striped paper. The photo mat is almost 3 1/2 by 4 1/4. And that will go right in there. Here is the next page with the gnome in a letter. There's typewriter. It says XOXO, sending all my love. There's the typewriter to coordinate with that page. Room there to put your little photo. And there is the top loading pocket. Again, that beautiful stripe which coordinates with all of the hearts here. A couple of hearts on that page as well. And there is that pocket. The plaid paper is here, and that coordinates. The pink is perfect. We've got our fun little Cupid gnome with the arrow and the hearts in the back, and some of the Cupid gnomes there. And there is our top loading pocket. And finally, on the back page, the gnome has heart for a gift for you. This says love, but it is open, so these love notes can pop in there, and it makes a nice little tuck spot. There is the back cover, which says You and Me, and there is the front cover again. So that's what we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of today's Valentine's Day mini album. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see some more ideas. And if you're interested in purchasing this, go check out my Etsy shop. It's listed in the description box. We have a link to take you right to this. So thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.